To fix a non-working SteelSeries Sonar mic, several potential solutions can be explored. The issue may be due to a software glitch, incorrect sound settings, or incorrect privacy settings. Reinstalling the SteelSeries GG app is a possible fix. This can be done by opening the computer's search bar, typing add or remove programs, finding and uninstalling the app, and then downloading a new version from the official SteelSeries website. Once the new version is installed, following the on-screen instructions to complete the installation and run the software as necessary. Adjusting sound settings is another potential solution. Opening the computer's settings app, selecting system settings, and navigating to the sound settings to ensure the correct device is selected in both the output and input sections can resolve the issue. Testing the microphone after making these adjustments is crucial to confirm it is working properly. Additionally, adjusting the computer's privacy settings may be necessary. Typing sound settings in the search bar, accessing the privacy settings, and enabling the option to allow apps to access the microphone can resolve the problem. If the issue persists after attempting these solutions, further troubleshooting may be required.